Alright folks, washing machine wash plate removal. No need for things like this. Or things like this. Or screwdrivers or hammers. None of that. All you need, if it's tough to get off, is this. Get off the 9/16 bolt. And some channel locks. If it's still a little tough to get off, you might try some CLR, but try these first. Even mine, after I've had it off, I can't pull it up. So I pretty much need the channel locks to pull it right up. What you're dealing with here is this side here gets a little rusty. Nobody ever talks about what's inside here. The bolt goes in here and that secures the wash plate. So don't do all this busting up things. Rather, use your channel locks and you will be, I will save you hours on your weekend. Thanks and have a nice day.